Hello guys, and welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. And in today's video we're going to be diving into Shiba Inu with some impressive news coming out from SHIB, and we can see how much exactly or where else can we see SHIB in the near term future, and how this affects the burn rate, and can we go all the way up to its highest high or even beyond. So happy you guys stick around for the video, so let me roll the intro. Hello guys, and welcome back for another video. And in today's video we've got some crazy news coming out from Shiba Inu, and it looks like the burn rate is continuing going on, which means we should be expecting a lot higher prices for Shiba Inu. But if we take a look at the Shiba Inu price today, it looks like Shiba Inu has been going sideways for the longest, and we start to make some decent moves, and I can actually see the coin blasting its way out from this long consolidation area to at least about to the highest of, and I'll show you right now by bringing out the support and resistance line. This will become the resistance, and now this will become the supports. I'll change the color for the support so you have an idea which one is up and down. Green is up and red is down. So even though we are more towards on the lower side, 3, 2, 1, we can still see that we are creating, another beautiful red candle, so green candle, and I can see us eventually should be able to at least come back up to its last highs, which should be up here. So the current price is 0.000000895, and the price target will be at this zone there, which would be at 0.000001084. Now that is still quite a decent trade to be had. Bear in mind guys, I am looking at the weekly chart, so if we zoom in a bit more, we bring out the measuring tool. So just from here to there, we're looking at a 20% move. If you use a 5x leverage that's 100%. If you 10x it, that's obviously 200. But then again, I wouldn't recommend anyone doing leverage trading unless if you're experienced at trading. Otherwise, keep it low left, anywhere between 2 to 3. You still get anywhere between 40 to 60% return, and that is still pretty decent trade to be had. Now looking at the overall structure, we are going sideways for a little while, not too long I don't think, because as we see from here, we've actually whipped down all the way below the support line. We bounced back up well above the support line, we came back down to retest, and then we created a higher high. This higher high beat this high over there, which means this area here is more or less like a support, or at least a temporary support. And if we do push up back up towards this nearest high, well the last high, that means we should be expecting to reach at least back up to this zone over here, or even touching the resistance line. Now if that trade was to be, if this trade was to be going ahead, or should I say 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 going ahead, then if this 3, 2, 1, if this trade was to be played out, then you could be looking at 65% move to the upside. Now that would be a pretty nice trade to be had. However, I am so bullish when it comes down to Shiba Inu. In fact, let me just do a full screen so you can see a better view of the chart. I can see us at least, I can see us go well above, actually at least to the top of here. So let me just duplicate this or clone this resistance line, and then I'm just going to drag it all the way up to there. That'll be our next level for taking profit, and that would be quite insane guys. Now let's bring out the measuring tool. So even if we go from here to there, you could be looking at easily 209% move to the upside. And once this happens, then I won't be surprised if we go all the way up to its recent high, well the last proper highs, which is it's near all-time high of 820% move to the upside. Now this is very doable. The reason why I say that is because, once again, if you do actually focus on the larger 3, 2, 1, the larger view of the chart, we've been going sideways for a very long time, and usually whenever coin goes for the longest sideways, then we do tend to see a nice breakup. And to be fair, because Shiba Inu has got a pretty decent tokenomics and the burn rate, I can see us actually blasting past it, so we should easily be able to expect more than 1,000% on Shiba Inu. Now that is just my technical analysis. Let's get into the fundamentals. So let's go over to the coin market cap. As we can currently see, the market cap currently is 5.28 billion with a 24-hour volume of 64.43 million. And if we look at the total circulation or total supply, it's 589 trillion of Shiba Inu. But then if you go to the Shiba burn tracker, it would tell us that we are only 41% of the way of burning Shiba Inu. So that means that so far we've burned 410 trillion, which means I've done the calculation here for you already. That means we are down to 178 trillion Shiba Inu that's circulating. What that's going to be circulating in supply for Shiba Inu, which means we should be expecting a bigger price coming in for Shiba Inu, and we should easily be able to clear some of these zeros. So as long as you get into Shiba Inu now and start accumulating the token, then you should be able to expecting a huge gains coming in the near future. And as this will be the biggest bull run, like since forever. No, 3, 2, 1. And as this will be the biggest bull run with all the institutional money and more retail investors' money coming in, we should be expecting to clear all this zero. But I do believe that we should easily be expecting a 1 cent soon. That's why I'm loading my bag on Shiba Inu. And just in case, that this does play out, let's say within a year, which it could very easily happen, even within the next 6 months, depending on when the bull season really do kick in. That's when we could truly find out whether we will see looking at a 1 cent Shiba Inu. I won't be surprised. In fact, they're one of the OGs, of course. So many memes came out from the meme space as of recently, especially for the past several years. But Shiba Inu has been up there along with Doge, so I wouldn't be surprised if Shiba becomes like the next Doge, quite literally. So what I'm going to do right now, just to give you an example, that if you do hold on for the 1 cent mark, I'm not looking for $1.20. I'm just looking for 1 cent, because I think that's more of a realistic target for Shiba Inu, at least between now to, let's say, maximum 1 year time. Then it's going to be some insane gains to be had. And don't forget, the good thing is with Shiba Inu, you can actually stake him as well, so you can actually get more Shiba Inu tokens. Now if we do get up to 1 cent, we could be looking at, look at that, that's quite insane actually. Even just under 1 cent, it's like 100,000% move to the upside. Guys, this is perhaps going to be one of my favorite meme coin that I'm going to be holding for the longest. Even if you don't get 100,000% and we get even 10,000%, I'll be happy with that. But realistically, I reckon it is quite doable for us to get up to 1 cent Shiba Inu. It might take a year, or maybe just over a year. It doesn't really matter, guys. I'm willing and I'd be happy to wait for this sort of gains in the near future. So that is it for today, guys. So I've just gone through with you like all the technical analysis on Shiba Inu, as well as gone through some of the fundamentals, what's going on with their current tokenomics and the prices, as well as their Shiba burn tracker. And hopefully once we do fill in its whole entire bar up, we could be seeing a lot less circulating supplies of Shiba, and that'd be fantastic news for the price. So I hope you find this useful and informative. If you do like this video, guys, can you please give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, you could do so right over here. If you'd like to see my next video, it will be right there, and I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers, bye.